Hi everyone, this is Prasad, your English Fluency Guide. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how to combine the sentences using conjunctions either or, neither nor, and not only but also. Before we go to video, just make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any future video from my channel. Thank you. Let's get into the topic. Now let me give you examples with either or. Okay, I will take tea or I will take coffee. Now let's combine these two sentences using either or. Okay, I will take either tea or coffee. Let me repeat it once again for you. I will take either coffee or tea. Okay, let's see one more example. I will take BPC or I will take MPC. I will take either BPC or MPC. Let me repeat it for you once again. I will take either BPC or MPC. I will drive a car or I will ride a bike. I will drive a car or I will ride a bike. Now let's combine these two sentences using the conjunction either or. Okay, I will drive a car. I will either drive a car. I will either drive a car or ride a bike. I will either drive a car or ride a bike. Okay, so with either or some examples over. Now let me give you examples with neither nor. Okay, I don't want coffee. I don't want tea. I want neither coffee nor tea. I want neither coffee nor tea. So here when we combine the sentences using neither nor, sentence starts with the positive statement, like it looks like a positive statement. I want neither coffee nor tea. Should not say I don't want neither coffee, because I want coffee, I want neither coffee, neither itself negative. So I want neither coffee nor tea means I don't want coffee, I don't want tea. Okay, now one more example with neither nor. I don't know French, I don't know Russian. I know neither French nor Russian. Okay, now let's see examples with not only but also, right? I know Hindi, I know English. I know not only Hindi but also English. I know how to drive a car. I know how to ride a bike. Okay, now let's combine these two sentences using not only but also. I know not only how to drive a car but also how to ride a bike. I know not only how to drive a car but also how to ride a bike. I know singing. I know dancing. Now let's combine these two sentences using the conjunction not only but also. I know not only singing but also dancing. Okay, one more example I just want to give you. I know writing, I know drawing. I know writing, I know drawing. I know not only writing but also drawing. I know not only writing but also drawing. She knows singing, she knows cooking, she knows singing, she knows cooking, right? She knows not only cooking but also singing. She knows not only cooking but also singing. Now let's revise quickly. Either or, neither nor, not only but also. Either or. I will take either coffee or tea. When there is choice, either coffee or tea, I will take any one. I will take either coffee or tea. She will take either MPC or BPC. Now neither nor. She knows neither how to drive a car nor how to ride a bike. Okay, she knows neither how to drive a car nor how to ride a bike. not only but also. She knows not only singing but also dancing. She knows not only singing but also dancing. Dear friends, please practice these sentences until you become confident. Every day you pick up one topic and practice. Practice is really important. If you don't practice, you can't become fluent speaker. So make sure you practice at least for 1 hour a day. Make sure you watch my videos so that you will get some